Welcome. This video is part of my series on creating Excel add-ins. In the previous video, I used an icon from Excel's built-in gallery for my add-in button. In this video, I'll teach you how to use your own images as icons for your Excel add-ins buttons. Before continuing, I recommend watching the previous video for a better understanding of the steps. The link is on the screen and in the description below. First, deactivate the add-in and navigate to the add-in folder. Rename the add-in.xlam file by adding a .zip extension to its name to make it an archive file. I have already described this procedure in detail in the previous video. Open the archive file and drag your image file into it. Next, find the content_types.xml file inside the archive and drag it out to the desktop. Open it in a text editor. Insert a new self-closing default tag in it and add extension and content type attributes. Write the values for these attributes according to your image format. For example, for a PNG file, you would write PNG for the extension and image/PNG for the content type attribute. Save, close, and drag the content_types.xml file back into the archive. Next, create a new .rels file and name it the same as the custom UI file in the archive. For example, if your custom UI file is brainbellui.xml, you would name the new file brainbellui.xml.rels. This .rels file is a relationship XML file where Excel will read our image info, path, and ID. Carefully assign a value to the ID attribute and remember it. We will use this value later in the custom UI file, brainbellui.xml. I'll assign grid to the ID attribute. Save and close the file. Open the _rels folder inside the archive and drag the brainbellui.xml.rels file into it. Go back to the archive root, drag the brainbellui.xml file out to the desktop, open it, and delete the existing image MSO attribute and its value. Write a new image attribute and give it the value grid, which we assign to the image in the brainbellui.xml.rels file. Save, close, and drag this file back into the archive, overwriting the existing file when prompted. Finally, close the archive.xlam file and rename it to restore its original name. Open the Excel application, activate the add-in, go to the Home tab, and you'll see that the icon has been replaced with your own image. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.